Bon voyage, I'm leaving. I'll be right back here next season. If it ain't about to play, I don't need it. Ain't no.
I'm a new person. I, Kyle Beats, am a new individual here in front of you today. Throw out anything you thought about me in the past, because I am a new person. I'm drinking all these coffees with all these different flavors and cream, and the ones I like the most are the ones that taste really strong. And then one day I didn't have it, and I was like, hey, I'm just going to drink it. I'll take a sip like this, just on ice. And I was like, what the hell am I doing? What are those? Oh my God. Hey, hey, hey. This is almost there, dude. The vocal's not, it's not quite there. Fuck it up, everything, alright, next. I feel like I've been absolutely killing myself with the runs lately and the leg workouts and all this stuff that I'm gonna go for a walk this morning before my chest workout. If you're someone who's trying to get into working out or running, which I'm always pushing on this channel because I think it's good for you, not only physically but mentally, that's why I run. I feel like a big mistake beginner people at like lifting make is just like going so hard on day one, week one, that like come week two they can't lift anymore. They can't do anything because your muscles get to the point where you literally can't lift them up. It's the same thing when it comes to YouTube or starting a business, selling beats, whatever. Like, it's better to do something consistently for 5 years than to do something extremely hard for a week and then just stop. Like, a lot of people that are trying to vlog or do YouTube, like, and come up to me for advice, you see them, they're going hard on the vlogs for a week, maybe 2 weeks, and then they just slowly start to drop off, and a couple years later, nothing. I got to the point where I'm at by saying, all right, I'm gonna do this many videos a week, and then just sticking to it. And now I'm on year 3 and I'm still sticking to it. And I feel like I'm not even there yet. If you haven't noticed, I'm wearing blue light glasses because if you haven't noticed, or if you don't know, I've been staring at a screen all day because if you haven't noticed, I stare at a screen all the time. And these help me not have bloodshot eyes and protect my eyes. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I made this melody earlier today. Freaking Glasses Kyle, dude. Blue light Glasses Kyle's on fire right now. I mean, that's pretty fire. Wow. I'm going for it. I'm going for it all. I'm going for it all. Hold on. Now I'm going for it all. Hold on. Now I'm going for it all.